What's poppin'?
Yo, what's up guys? So today we're gonna be installing hardwood floors into the trunk, making it look like some VIP vehicles, you know what I'm saying?
You know, like on the move. Let's go. Banging gears.
Okay, so Coach is still finding his color what he wants. So I'm going with the classic, you know, the cherry. But there's like some shinier cherries, but you have to pre-order those. This is what they have so far. This is pretty thick too, so it's gonna cover my car pretty easily. And one box is $23 budget. Pick this up. Oh, when's the camo?
Sorry, man. Sorry, man. We're living in 1997.
Hey, watch this one.
Oh. Hey, nice system, huh?
Hey, where's the
What is that? Oh.
This is. I don't think this is gonna work.
Hey dude, you have a little thing. Oh, JK.
Hey, see, this is got a hammer in here. Gotta hit the starter so it can start. Got some oil because it burned.
Dude, hurry up, man. I'm hungry.
Oh shit. Oi! Hey, dude, that sounds nice.
My rig.
Gotta get this piece.
Hey.
Yeah, that would be stuff.
Now what we doing?
Piecing together.
Boys, get in trouble.
Good.
Get in trouble.
Bro, man, I got fucking scared. I was like, there goes this garage.
Perfect. No, actually,
No,
perfect.
that's good.
Are you sure? I think we should just use all of it. Just so we use all of it. So we have a little more area. You know what I'm saying? Here.
Let's be on the safe side. Yeah. But just know you're gonna have smaller pieces.
What do you mean?
If you're gonna do it, like this. You're gonna have like this small ass piece for no reason.
Yeah, like a groove slit.
As long as we bring like the safe side.
You're the boss.
Hey man, you get into a car, that's what happens. So gotta make some tough decisions.
Got our carpenter here.
All right, you wanna flip this over and trace it from the back side?
Also,
Oh, yeah.
okay.
It's okay. This one only costs $20.
Hey man, this is some money.
Butter.
Hold up.
Hey, Mike Short.
100K likes, I'll stamp my face.
Hey, open up your door.
Dude, they're not gonna.
So, we fucked up.
No.
So, we fucked up.
Shut up. Okay, so we're gonna continue this tomorrow.
After everything.
Dude, we vacuumed the garage 2 times. We got
I fucking broomed.
The
I'm
back-
dirty. All for nothing, man. Fucking trace it upside down.
Alright, tune in next week.
Tune in.
No, tune in tomorrow.
What time tomorrow?
After 6.
That's the same damn thing.
Hey, Salah, you want?
Hello?
Oh, Samsung.
Turn out this much.
Hey, what are you doing?
Okay, so one thing is those board, it's not gonna work, right? Because it's gonna add more depth to it. Okay, so those board is gonna add more depth to it, which we don't want. But move your hand. So it's gonna like, it's kind of like wobbly, but we'll put like things underneath it, so it's not wobbly. And then, but it should be solid now. Now we're just like, we're test fitting everything, but you're still gonna trim pieces because it's not gonna fit 100%. Like right now, we're just like trimming it because right now it's not going in, so we need to trim it a little bit. But after that, it should go in, and we should be solid.
We got it. It's all good.
All right, so we had some fails.
Minor difficulties.
We had some we had
Okay,
some,
we had some huge difficulties. Major
we had some
difficulties.
fails and non-fails. So
The lighting, you know.
so some things were successful.
There's a lot more shaving we had to do.
Yeah, a lot more shaving, but this is the final product. So we didn't use the wood, so don't buy that when you begin.
You could use it for getting exactly
The template, to get a template
like
for
a
it.
template. You got a
But
wall.
you can use cardboard. That's like a freaking expensive template.
11 bucks. But, yeah.
Okay, but so tomorrow we're gonna finish up sanding. We got everything down. So how to take this apart, I don't know yet.
We'll get to that tomorrow. Probably when you take it up
Oh,
from the
this-
middle. Slide it up from the middle. So you can see how durable it is. You can see, very hard to take out.
All this shit. Yeah, nice.
All set.
Oh, cameraman. God damn it.
Hey.
Thanks for now, tomorrow, gotta put in my G, you feel me?
Really go buy more wood. You know, you're kind of grinding on the wood over there.
Oh yeah, we don't talk about that one.
Yeah, it's, nothing
Okay,
happens.
Mike can just snap my hardwood. Ready?
This guy. Oh. Come on. Yeah, take a chance, Chris.
Oh shit.
See these pieces right here? We got the Lexus. Oh, peep that dog right there.
Where?
Oh, he left.
Oh.
So we got my G. We started sprinkling, but fuck it. We're still gonna do it. So we're gonna. So Coach is at work. We just picked his car up from his work. He might just come later, you know. So we're just gonna sand his piece, and once we're done with that, we got that pretty good fit. We're gonna use it on my car. You feel me? Trace it. Call it a day. Gonna take this one. And this one.
You know what I'm saying over here? Who needs a drill?
And make sure there's no dust on the lens.
Okay, got it. Okay, we're good.
And then.
Oh, hey! Nice. All right.
See, I didn't even go through. Didn't penetrate. I'm gonna just leave this temporary here. All right. Now. Good. What time is it? Time check. We should have like 30 minutes left.
Phone's in there.
We are done. Done this. Now what we're gonna do, drop his car back to his work so I can get home, you know. He doesn't have a car right now. Did mine. Let me show you. Damn. Did that. Nah. But, what's it called? So, like, we made this pretty sturdy, you know? But if you look at Kosh's car, oh shit, yeah, the keys. Kosh's car, oh shit. Kosh's car is not that sturdy because we have nothing in the, like, underneath, right? So what we did to my car, so in my rug, there's like this square piece to like support it. We basically just cut it out, you know, it's not a big deal. But we can just like put it over if we don't like want the hardwood floors. The board is still gonna be underneath, but this is pretty sturdy now. And then we have this screw. This is just temporary though, but we have the screw to just take it out, you know, put it back in. And yeah, it's my floor setup. Kosh's floor setup. It's not done yet, but it's gonna be done soon. We'll clean everything. Looks nice. And yeah.
Set.